Welcome, beautiful soul. You are safe here. This is your space to slow down and heal. Take a moment to arrive fully. Let go what happened today and just be. You don't need to fix anything right now. You are allowed to just feel. Let's begin with your breath. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath into your nose and softly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body settle. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your shoulders drop. Let your jaw relax. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth. You are here and you are grounded. Now, gently notice how you feel in this moment. Don't label, don't judge. Just be curious. Is there tension or tenderness in your chest? Maybe a feeling that wants to be seen. Whatever is there, just let it be. Let your breath hold it gently, like a friend. You don't need to push emotions away. You are allowed to feel everything and still be safe. Now, speak softly to the younger versions of yourself. You are loved. You are enough. You didn't deserve the pain. It's okay to let go now. You are healed. You are healing. I see you. I believe in you. You are not alone. I am here for you. You are safe to rest now. Imagine a warm light slowly surrounding your body. It's soft, golden, and gentle. It touches your heart, your belly, your inner child. This light says you are healing. Feel it soak into every part of you that has been aching. You are worthy of peace. Now take one last deep breath in and a long exhale. Let go of what you're ready to release and say silently, I am healing. You are doing beautifully. You can return to this space anytime. Thank you for taking care of your heart. Thank you for being here with Lumii.